Hello guys and welcome to another video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the camera effect or the camera tool in Adobe After Effects. So now open Adobe After Effects and follow these steps. Here I have this composition that is like doesn't contain any audio or any video. So now I'm going to click on a new, and I'm going to add a camera so we can add our effects. Then we are just going to do like that. Now we have our camera. Then I'm just going to add an image that I have here uh, in my desktop, and I'm going just to add it here to show you the effects. So basically I need to make it as a 3D object because I'm using only an image. So I'm going here and just click on this 3D layer. So I'm just going to click on 3D layer, and as you can see now I can preview my image here in the camera or in the composition. So basically now I am going to see the transformations things or settings of my camera, so I can start doing the effects. So basically this is the position of camera, and to have like a nicer view or better view for your scene or for your composition, just go here and use the for view option. So now you will be able to see your camera with it is seated. So as you can see, this is the front view of the camera and this is the right view of the camera. So if you are moving it, you will see where the camera is locating or what is it exactly seeing. So I'm going to, and also you can like add the position. As you can see, this is like the front, and I'm using my camera here, and you can zoom in and zoom out with this. So I'm just locate camera here, and those are the points of interest. So it's like a focus, and this is how your camera will be seen. So let's just leave it as the point of view, and this is the point of interest. So now this is how we can move our camera. Now to apply it into a video, we need to add keyframes. So basically we need to click on or to vary positions or values of any of these applications or the settings, so we can add it as a keyframe. So I'm just going to click on this one. Now as you can see, those are my keyframes. So here in this moment, for example, I want it to be in this position, for example, or let's just have it where is my camera again? Let's just have it here, and I'm going just to click. Either you can do it like with values or click on it. So I'm just going to add values. It's, for example, I'm going to define the x position, y and z position. And now in this moment, for example, I will have for example a rotation for the camera, and it will be seen this place, and here it will go back again to down. So basically this is how we can use our camera now. And if you can preview it, so we'll click in space, so it will render the scene. You will see that is going to change its position, the camera, and it is and now as you can see, the object is changing, which is the camera. It is changing. We will see it here. You can see the camera is rotating and changing positions. And you can review your here And as you can see, let's for example add another position or transformation, for example like this. As you can see, this is how the camera is seeing the scene or our image here, and you can change position. This is the X position, the Y position, this is the Z position. So, and this is how you can preview like your camera, and you can like add other effects if you want, like having some transformation to our image, like the position, etc. And you can have exactly the same principle, and you can use it to the other one. So basically, those are the general usage of, or the general using for the Adobe After Effects camera. Thank you for watching and goodbye.